Hello. Today again we are going to talk about some graphics programs. Yesterday we saw that how to draw a circle and how to activate the graphics in QBASIC. Today simply we are going to display a colorful text. Yes, it's very simple. Let's write a program, and for that simply we have to use the color command. Let's see how to write. Okay, here is. So let's see the output first. Here is the output. Color text. For this nothing we have done there. First we have to activate the graphics. Yes, we have activated the graphic using screen 12 with high that resolution, and this color, it is for the foreground, means color of text. We want to change, we have to put this 10, 0 to 15 we can put here. And next what we want to print in the color form, we have to put with this print command. That's all, nothing more we have to do here. And so it's not very simple, it's very simple. Yes, okay, let's save it. Now if we want to change the background color, how to write a program, like this background is black. Yes, if we want to change to any other color, for that we have to use two values with this color command. How? Okay, we are going to write the same program here. So this 10 is for the foreground and this 13 is for the background. I'm going to run it, and look here, background has been changed. Yes, yes, that's very simple way to write a program, and nothing more you have to do here. I hope you also about this one. Just subscribe the channel and just share me. If you have any question, just use the comment box and share with your friends. Okay, thank you.